Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making a General Tso pork. And here I have a piece of pork roast. And it's got to be a little over a pound. And I'm going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And then I'm going to coat it and bake it. So while I cut it into bite-sized pieces, I'll let you go and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I've got the pork all cut up into bite-sized pieces. And I opened a bag of extra crispy seasoned coating mix. Put the bite-sized pieces in the bag with the coating mix, give it a shake. Then lay the coated pieces out onto a baking sheet. And I'm going to put these into a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. And I'll be back to finish the recipe when that's done. I'll see you later. Okay, I'm back. So in this pan, I'm going to put just a couple tablespoons of oil. And while General Tso is a meat dish, I'm opting to add some vegetable to it. I'm going to add 2 green peppers. You can make it a meat dish if you like, or you can add green peppers, or even broccoli, carrots, whatever vegetable you want. You can make the dish your own. So I'm going to let this cook for just a couple minutes, not very long. I want to keep the green peppers crispy. Normally, when you make this, you would either fry the pork or the chicken, whichever you use. I opt to bake it in order to cut down on how much oil I use in a meal. So like I say, I like to keep this crispy, so I'm going to start adding. I'm making this a double recipe, so I'm going to add 4, 8 tablespoons of sugar. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want 8 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to have to get some more fish sauce. Or, nope, I don't. I got fish sauce. And I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give this a stir. And I want 1 cup of water. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of ground ginger. This is a half teaspoon. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's 4 teaspoons of ground ginger. Stir that in. And let's see if I can find. Nope, that's not it. There we are. I want 2 teaspoons of ground garlic. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to stir that in. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper flakes. I have to remember to buy some more of those. Those stirred in. Now I'm going to add my pork. And stir it in. And now comes 4 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken it up. 3. And 4. Stir that in. Turn off the fire. And just as quickly as that, I have my General Tso pork is done. Get myself a little bit of rice. Spoon some of this goodness over the rice. And we're going to give it a little taste. That's very good. Got a bit of heat from the red pepper flakes. If you don't like it that real spicy, then add less. But hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. You'll give it a like and you'll subscribe. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you again next time. Bye.